Hello? Yes, Zaki. Alright, let's go.
Sometimes, stress does not only make mind tired, but can also quietly damage the teeth.
Bruxism is the habit of grinding or cleansing the teeth, and it's often done without realizing it. This condition can happen while we are awake or while we are sleeping.
According to Journal of WHO, bruxism is multifactorial. One factor that is often linked to stress, anxiety, and sleep during. Etiology of bruxism can be divided into three groups: psychosocial factor, perihal factor, and pathosocial factor. In sleep bruxism, episodes are often related to arousal during sleep.
While awake, bruxism often appears when someone is under pressure. Bruxism is not a small problem. It can cause jaw pain, headache, sensitive tooth, and tooth wear. If it is ignored, this condition can also affect daily quality of life.
To make it easier to understand, here's a simple explanation of how bruxism happens. Number 1. Stress affects everyone in different ways. Some people become emotional, some lose their focus, and others may experience physical changes without even realizing it. Number 2. When stress builds up, it can affect our daily life. Some people struggle to sleep at night, while others feel tired and exhausted throughout the day. Number 3. And for some people, stress shows up in a different way. They may start clenching or grinding their teeth without even noticing it. Number 4. This condition is called bruxism. Simply put, bruxism is the habit of grinding or clenching the teeth unconsciously. Number 5. Bruxism can happen during the day when someone is feeling stressed or concentrating. It can also happen during sleep, which is why many people don't realize they have it. Number 6. At first, it may not seem like a big problem. Many people think it's just a harmless habit and choose to ignore it.
If bruxism is ignored, someone may keep feeling uncomfortable while eating, wake up with sore jaw, or often get a head change. In the long term, the teeth can wear down and become even more sensitive.
As dental students, we have an important role in helping people recognize the sign of bruxism early. We can educate the community about stress management, healthy sleep habits, and the importance of visiting a dentist when symptoms begin to appear.
So, you understand now, right?